Mariano here again. After a long time, I don't cook. It was too hot a couple of weeks ago. You die inside here. Now, first of all, I have to take a grass out because I got a cut that I removed 2 weeks ago. Okay, today we make a very simple but still good dish. Spaghetti with olio, and peperoncino, which is this one here. Very, very, I know I have to be careful not to put too much. So I started prepare here a little bit of garlic. That's from the garden, from the garden. See, that's really fresh. First I put all this here, see? Yeah, look at that. Good. That garlic sticking like a glue. It's so nice and fresh, eh? I don't chop it and don't hardly cook. As soon as it changes a little bit color. Because the garlic, when they start to get a bit dark, I said, forget it. It's not only good to eat, it ruins all the rest of the sauce. You have to be careful with the garlic. Okay, now, oil, olive oil. I only use it, I showed you before, garlic. That's very, very good oil. I put it quite a bit because it's a half a kilo pasta here, 450 grams, 1 pound pasta. We have to put it very, very slow, okay? Now, we put the pasta on it, I think. I got spaghettini, send spaghetti. The really spaghetti is number 12. This is one size smaller, but what's the difference? This don't make too much of a difference. And I put it all there. Oh, yeah. You have to have it. You have to have it with salt. Don't overdo. You can put it some, and then when they're halfway cooked, you can put the finger in the, well, you have to burn it, but you taste the water. If you think you need a little bit more, I usually do that. I put, because I'm very heavy in the salt. But in the salt go in the water. Peperoncino, I put it maybe 3, maybe. That's a very hot stuff. I can smell it there strong. That's okay. Okay, slowly we cook it out, okay? Aglio e olio. We got oil and garlic and a little bit peperoncino. And that's it for now, okay? Parsley from the garden, my friend.
Do you make pasta aglio olio often?
Nah. We usually, especially for Northeast, we use a tomato all the time, but this was good. It's very, very good. It's a different. Now I put it this in with the olio. I have to watch it not to burn it, because if you burn it, you're finished. That's lots of pasta. Hey. Very good. We see how it goes. Garlic, you don't see much. There's a stuff in there, see, but the most of the oil that comes. Okay. A little bit of pepper. Okay. Oh, it smells good. It don't look so good because it's lots of stuff in there. The oil, the garlic is the more important, eh? And now, you know what I do? I don't just stay in there, go like this, see? There, look at that, eh? Okay? I watch a TV sometimes. They put a parsley in the end, without cooking at all. They don't even put it in the pot. If you use it raw, you have to cut it very, very, very thin. Basilico actually is different. They break with the hand. Probably that's the right way. I don't say no. Hey, I'm not a god, but for me, I like, because basil is basil. Basilico, preservo. You have to taste it. Yeah, neither. Yeah, that's it. Then you put, if you want more, you put it on the table. Now we're gonna eat, okay? Me, I try already. It's spicy, but you can eat.
Take a glass of water lemon, please. It looks like that.
Oh, spicy, picante, yeah. Well, pepperoncino is supposed to be like that.
Yeah, but
Too much?
I like picante, but this is a really picante.
Kill
I
the,
like that, but
kill the bugs.
yeah. Kill the bug.
For me, it's all right. I know I have to be careful not to put too much. Yeah, we eat the spaghetti here, and then we go outside and we cook a few sauces. We make a nice sandwich, okay? Yeah. with the tomato I cut from the garden. Oh yeah, it had to be. It turned out very, very good. We're gonna cook in about 5 minutes. See, I just put it in. I bet you started. See, look, started already. See, because it was very hot when I put it in. You got a wine. You want to get your wine? Just about. See, just about finished. Another 2 days. It fermented already for 4 days. See how it bubbles? See, that's a 46 liter Pinot Grigio, a Fontana. That's very, very good wine from California. 23 liter each. So I got 2 in there. Nice. Then prepare the gate. Look, build the gate. I do a little bit of everything. Slowly, but I do a little bit of everything. A little bit carpet, a little bit garden. Yeah. When I'm drunk, I sing too sometimes. Yeah. Okay, now we go inside. We eat a good sandwich, you know. Oh yeah, panino. Hey, look at that. Tomato needles. Oh, I love that tomato. There you go. What's wrong with that? Okay. Nice sandwich. But we want more.
Hello. Good. How are you?
What do you put in it, Kel? Is it red paper? Put it here. I show you. I should put it before, but we can put it in this one. The same thing. I see. I can do that. The kale, what she did, she mixed it. Though it's not only kale. I give a kale. I give you a leaf from the beets, the big leaf. They said it's very good, and a little bit of radicchio. Okay, and she chopped together 3 different kinds, and then she put a red pepper, garlic, onion. I think she liked a lot of red onion. She cooked a little bit of olive oil, garlic, and like I say, garlic, and she put it maybe half a red pepper, and garlic and olive oil, and a little bit of salt, pepper, and that's it. There you go. Now you got a good sandwich.
No, it's good. Okay.
Yeah, eat it. When you eat that,
Oh, yeah.
you can stay till tomorrow. And here,
You know what?
little bit of that.
It's good.
Can you take the camera from me?
Sauce is good, Sandro. Good sausage, eh? Mariano sauce is always good. That's a barbecue. You can't go wrong with the sauce of barbecue. You can. Yeah.
Wow. It's actually good bread too.
Yeah, it is bread. Yeah. No, bread is good. Yeah.
You're an excellent cameraman.
Oh, I want to see. You will look at first before to talk. Look at. Maybe you don't see nothing.
You have to go buy some more nail.
Oh yeah. Oh, right there.
That's very much. I change it.
You get the mess.
You get the milk?
Not sure. Salute a tutti ragazzi. Thank you, grazie. That was not a big meal today, but hey, try the spaghetti. If you like a little bit picante, do the way I did. To me, I will eat a nice little dishes. It was good.
No, I eat nice sandwich.
Nice sandwich with sausage, tomato from the garden,
I eat.
little bit kale, glass of wine. What the heck? Better than that? In the summer is good meal. Okay,
We feel good.
try it. Okay, you guys try it, do it. And the glass of wine, don't forget, not too many. 1 glass when you eat, and then go in the bed. Don't go in the car. But it's good for you. Okay. Thank you to everybody. Guardate. Maybe you don't learn much, but I like to go you eat my video, okay? To watch my video. Watch it. No eat it, watch it. And don't pale wine no more.
I try not to. I try not to.
You make a mess.
I should make mess by clean it. Thank you, everybody. Okay, thank you, everybody. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye. See you next.
Bye.
See you next time.
Mariano, say hi to everybody. That's it. Now for today. Now we go outside. Set aside a little bit. Oh, sole mio.